These are random things I learned while working in big law for 17 years that you can apply to pretty much any corporate environment. Number one, when you make a mistake, you take ownership of it. You do not blame it on the person below you, even if the person below you is the one who made a mistake. I was sitting in my office working one day and I got an angry phone call from a partner saying, I just got an angry phone call from the clerk of the court saying, I'm due in court. How come I didn't know about this? Turns out that the junior associate on the case who was tasked with monitoring the docket failed to notice that there was a hearing set for that case that morning and, of course, failed to tell the rest of us. Instead of blaming that junior associate, I told the partner, I'm so sorry. It will never happen again. Junior associate came into my office and said, Joanne, how come you didn't tell Michael that it was me who failed to notice that there was a hearing today? Michael looked to me to handle all of those matters. I asked junior associate to help me handle all of those matters. To the extent that there was a failing, from Michael's perspective, that failing was mine. Now, junior associate knew that I took the flack for that, and as a result of that, he not only thanked me, he also made sure that he never, ever made a mistake like that again, because he didn't want me to take the flack for it ever again. Number two, when you make a mistake, you don't just say sorry. You come to the table with a proposed solution for that mistake, and even better, you can tell the partner, I've already fixed it. Now, in the case of the missed hearing, what I did was I talked to our internal court docketing department, and we made sure that from now on, all hearings would be populated on all of our calendars. Number three, no matter how stressful your job is, there is literally a never reason to make a person cry. Big law can be one of the most stressful environments to work in, but I can proudly say in all 17 and a half years that I was working there, I never made a single person cry. Unfortunately, the same cannot be said for me. There were definitely colleagues who had me so upset and so distressed that I couldn't sleep at night. I got ulcers, and ultimately I was crying. Somebody is crying routinely because of the way that you behave at the office. It's time to take a look at yourself. Therefore, when writing emails to the people you report to or to a client, make sure you put all of the important information that they need to read up front, because they're not going to read the rest of the email. This is a quick formula for a really great email that I've been using and that many of my clients have appreciated, which is, you asked me to look into X. This is the answer to X. Here is why the answer to X is that, and at the very bottom, here is my recommendation based upon everything you just read. And number five, look for the mentors who are going to fight for you. These are not necessarily people that you want to hang out with, have a smoothie with. I mean, if you get that too, that's wonderful, but that's not necessary. What is necessary is that they will fight for you. They will clear a path for your advancement. They will use their clout and their heft to push you forward. One of my mentors was one of the most powerful persons at the firm, and he wrote in my evaluation, make her partner already. I made partner the following year, and yeah, he made me cry in a good way. I do not miss working in big law, but I do miss some of the amazing people I got to work with.